As most of you guys are paying for the Ola scooter, there are 3 sizes of helmet options available. So I went for the large size, which is 600 mm. I'll quickly unpack this and show you what to expect from the Ola's helmet. On the tag you can see MRP and the package date. The pack date is Ola's packing date, not the helmet's manufacturing date. The helmet comes in a soft bag that will probably save the helmet from getting scratches over time. Ola is also using this very same material for the body cover as well. Let's see the helmet now. This is a matte black finish. We don't have color options in this. We also get to see an Ola logo on the back side. On the left we get to see this Steelbird's patented lock system. I'll show you guys how that works in a bit. The inner cushioning also feels premium. On the right side, if you remove the padding a bit, you can see the manufacturing date of the helmet and all the details. Moving to the right side chin part, this is where you can see the size of the helmet. To lock the clip, we just have to slide the clip inside. And to release it, just lift this red cloth. The visor has a 2-stage lock. It's a clear glass and transparent color. Probably if you want to upgrade, you can change it in the aftermarket. To remove the visor, we have a release clip on either sides. Practically we would need it only when we want to replace the visor. Let's put this back together. Now let's talk about the patented lock. This lock is useful if you have a motorbike or something. This lock is called the cable lock. You have to loop it through the helmet and to the crash guard. So once we unlock, this is how we can access. See, the charger will take only around 40% of the space and you'll have ample space to fit your half helmet. So I usually also have my body cover inside this. That's it for this one, guys. Stay tuned.